Adobe Illustrator offers a lot of ways you can fine-tune the appearance of text in your projects. In this particular project, you'll create some headline text and apply formatting options like Adobe fonts, size, and color to make it look better. If you want to follow along, open your own Illustrator document or this file from the practice files to this tutorial. First, you'll add some text to the project. So select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left, and in a blank area of the document over here, click and drag to create an area of text. Type Designs Made Simple to replace the placeholder text. This text needs some formatting help. It needs to be larger, have a different font applied to give it a different appearance, and a few more things. To apply formatting like font and size, you will select the text with the Type tool. Know that if all of the text in an area has the same formatting applied, you can simply select the Type object with the Selection tool. Click and drag across all of this text to select it. Most of the formatting for your text is found in the Properties panel to the right. There are a lot of text formatting options you can experiment with, including font, font size, leading, and more. Now to change the font for the text, click the Font Family menu here. You should see the selected text Designs Made Simple is showing as sample text to easily preview a font on the text. You can choose from the list of fonts in your machine, but you can also browse Adobe fonts from the thousands available with your membership. Click Find More in the menu to show the Adobe fonts. Your available list of fonts might look different, which is okay. Your font list depends on the type of Creative Cloud membership you have and which fonts you've already installed. And keep in mind that Adobe is always adding more fonts for its members. To sort the fonts based on certain properties, click here. You can actually sort based on serif, sans serif, different font weights, and more. We can simply select a font, so press Escape to hide these options. Scroll in the font list and find Lato. Click the arrow to see the font styles, and then click the icon to the far right of the name to sync Lato Black to your machine. In the message that appears, click OK. The font is now syncing to your machine. You can filter to see the Adobe fonts you've synced in the Font Family menu here. After a bit, you should see the newly installed font, Lato Black. Click to apply it to the text. Now you'll change the font size to make it larger. So from the Font Size menu over here in the Properties panel, choose 36. You may find that some of the text is now hidden. If that's the case, select the Selection tool and drag a corner of the Type object to make sure that all the text is showing. Then to move the text into its final position, bring the pointer over it and drag it here. To change the color Fill, click the Fill color in the Properties panel, make sure that the Swatches option is selected, and then select this green swatch. You can press Escape to hide the colors, and then click away from the text to deselect it. As you can see, Illustrator offers a lot of text formatting options you can explore, from formatting logo type to fine-tuning the appearance of text in an app design. You can now format your own text to match your design needs.